Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a super cool cloning effects for your video using just your phone. It's free, beginner friendly, and only takes a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then import the video that you want to edit. And then adjust the durations of your video. I will adjust mine like this. I will trim my video like this. Next, just find the part of the clips where you want to apply the cloning effects. I will choose this part. Next, just take a screenshot of this part like this, and then just tidy up the screenshot. And now just open the DreamFace app. This app is mainly for creating animated avatars and effects for images, and the good news is they give free credits every week, so you can use it even without paying. And on this dashboard, just tap on Magic Effect, and then choose Cloning, this one, and then just upload the screenshot that you took earlier. And then just click Create and wait for the process. And okay, when your cloning animations is ready, just download it. Then go back to CapCut. And then split your original video at the exact frame you screenshotted earlier, like this. And next, just insert the cloning video right in between. Next, just duplicate the cloning clips. And then reverse it. This will create a smooth bounce back effect that looks awesome like this. Like this. And then let's play the video. It will look like this. It's funny, but it's still cool. Okay, like this. A fun, easy, and totally free way to create a cloning effects on your video. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!